Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at slide number 4. It says to solve and check your work. So you should have solved this on your own and then came and checked your work with my video here on, I believe we're on the videos are on 8. I'm pretty sure 8, but anyhow, it's the last slide in your Desmos activity for today. So let's see. It says Jada spent $9.35 at the arcade. Matthew spent $7.80 at the arcade. How much more did Jada spend than Matthew? You've got to do an come up with an operation and solve this problem. When you see the words how much more, so that's going to tell us they want to know the difference between what Jada spent and what Matthew spent. And finding the difference is subtraction. So over here, I'm going to set up my problem to subtract what Matthew spent because it's less than what Jada spent. So let me set this up. $9.35. That's dollar symbol. And we're going to take away what Matthew spent, $7.80. All right, and we're going to do subtraction here. My lines never go straight, but that's okay. That doesn't matter as long as we know what we're doing. Okay, now follow through with subtracting with these decimals. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 8. Ooh, I can't take 8 away from 3, so I need to do some regrouping. I'm going to go over here to the 9, and I'm going to say, hey, I'm going to make you an 8, and I'm going to regroup and make you a 13. So now that I have 13 tenths, I'm going to subtract 8 from it, and I get 5. And then 8 take away 7 leaves us with 8. We cannot forget to bring down that decimal point. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Let me back up. Uh-oh, I see a mistake. I'm like, wait a second. How could she spend that much? 7 minus 8 is, or sorry, 8 minus 7 is 1. Let me get my pen back. 8 minus 7 is 1. And you know what? When I was looking at that, I was like, that's not reasonable. I know it was more than what I have on there, 8. So as I was subtracting, it didn't make sense that I made a mistake, but I went back and I changed it. Now I know that Jada spent $1.55 more than Matthew. Please check your work on slide 4. If it doesn't look like mine, make any changes that you need to make.